All right, looks good. Okay, so we're going to review the things that we learned in chapter 4. That's what this Zoom is for. So you're going to work on your math test after this, which will have questions like the ones that we're doing right now in the Zoom. And then there's a second part of the math test you'll work on tomorrow, which kind of goes back and reviews things that we've learned in chapters 1, 2, and 3. So you have to really think about those math skills that you've been working on so far this year in first grade. So to begin, we're going to talk about doing some measuring. So I'm going to get my second camera on the screen. Whoops. Okay, so we are going to talk about measuring. First, about how we can compare different things and know how long they are. So if we want to compare these 3 writing tools, what would I need to do to them to be able to see which one is the longest? So when we have comparison like this, we're not using a unit to measure, like we don't have our blocks, we just have the 3 tools and we're trying to compare them. They can't really sit in a mess like this. We have to organize them so we can tell which one's longer. Look what Miss Lumsden's gonna do. How did what I just did make it easier to tell which one is longer? Who can explain that to me? I just moved them around. How is it easier to tell? Alicia?
Because if it's like down lower, you don't know which one's longer, and if it is next to each other and lined up,
Yeah.
you know which one, and depends.
Exactly. Yep. You have to have one end nice and lined up so that you can see which is taller on the other end. You can't just have them a mess like this and say which one's bigger. It's really hard to tell, right? So if you're comparing 2 things, then you have to make sure they're all lined up on one end, and it will help you be able to see which one is actually bigger, okay? That's just a quick review on making sure you can tell how things are bigger than others. All right, now Miss Lumsden's going to measure her Post-it note. You won't need your whiteboard, you'll just need your thumb. Thumbs up or thumbs down on if Miss Lumsden's doing a good job measuring. All right, I think my Post-it notes are 4 cubes long. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I think my Post-it note is 4 cubes long. Oh, I'm seeing lots of thumbs down. Who could turn their mic on and tell me why? Why is this wrong? Why is it not 4? Arlo?
Have gaps.
I have gaps. Look, there's not, all my units are not measured or not tight next to each other. You cannot have gaps when you measure because then you're not getting an accurate measurement. So I had gaps. Good job, Arlo. Okay, how does this measuring look? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I think my Post-it note is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes long. Did I do a good job? Is it 6? I don't have any gaps. I fixed that there's no gaps. Oh, I still see lots of thumbs down. Who would like to tell me why? Why is it wrong? Why can we not measure like this? Alexis?
Because you have to have them the same size.
Yes, good job, Alexis. We cannot use different size tools to measure. That doesn't give you an accurate measurement. You have to use the same size. Okay, how about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe if I angle it like this.
You're frozen.
Is this a good measurement? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Wow, still thumbs down. Miss Lumsden needs more help. Tell me why. Why is this not a good measurement? Quentin?
Because one's on top of each other, and two of them are slided out.
Yeah, so some of them have gaps, and then I have one on top. We call that an overlap. I overlapped my tool. Good job, Quentin. Good job checking my measuring. Okay, so those were all not the way to measure. How about if I can get it right this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How does that look? Am I finally going to get a thumbs up? Oh, looks like there's a little space. Oh, you caught me. You caught me. Okay. How about now? There we go. Thumbs are up. Nice job. Okay. Let's go review how our little chant on how we remember all those things about measuring. So we went over this a couple of times. It starts like this. No gaps, no overlaps, end to end. So yeah, some of you were catching me here when I didn't have another cube. That's not measuring end to end. You have to go from one end of what you're measuring all the way to the other. So remembering those tips when you're working on your math test, you're going to be using paper clips to measure. Make sure they are nice and tight to each other, no gaps, no overlaps, and you go from one side of your paper to the other. That will be part of it. Okay, nice job. Now you can grab that marker and whiteboard. We're going to take a look at a graph. So we practiced a couple times with a bar graph this chapter. So we're going to look at a graph about favorite pets. Thumbs up if you can see my graph about favorite pets. All right, nice job. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions about this graph. You're going to use your whiteboard to answer. So it says favorite pets across the top, type of pet, cat, dog, fish, bird, and then up the side, number of students. So that's how many people voted. Remember, the numbers go up the side and they follow on the lines. So my first question, how many students voted for fish? That's right here, the pink one. Write down on your whiteboard how many students voted for fish as their favorite pet. Nice job, Preston. Good job, Hadley, Arlo, Alexis. Nice job. Looks good. Nice job, Molly. Okay, so looking at fish, we can tell, we can read the bar graph. You go all the way to the top. You see where the line is, and you can follow the line over, and that is at number 4. You can also count the lines as you go up the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students picked fish. Nice work. Next question, how many students voted for cat? Cat is right here, the orange one. How many students voted for cat as their favorite pet? Quick, nice job, Molly and Preston. Good job, Nora, Hadley, Arlo. Nice work. Good job, Alexis. Nice job, Q. Good job, Marnie. All right, just the same, you're looking at the cat bar graph, which is the orange one. You go all the way up this bar. You can see it goes all the way to the line number 7. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students picked cat. Okay, this is the last question. It's a tricky one. There won't be one this tricky on your test, but for practice, how many students picked dog and bird all together? So dog and bird, you got to put them together. Good work, friends. Some of you are quick on these bar graphs. Yep, dog. You go all the way up to dog and bird and add it up. Nice job, Marnie. Looks good, Nora, Hadley, Arlo, Q. Good job. Nice job, Alexis. All right, you guys did great. You go all the way up for dog. You can see there's 8 students that voted for dog and 1 for bird. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. Nice job with the bar graph. You guys rock that one. Okay, the last couple things that we practice in chapter 4. So the first one, I want you to write on your whiteboard. Let's see, let's just start with 2. Try and think of 2 doubles facts. Think about what doubles facts are. Remember, it's the same number, doubles facts. Think of 2 that you know. Write the full number sentence. 2 doubles facts. Nice job. Looks good, Arlo. Marnie, nice job. Hadley, okay, we remember what doubles facts are. Good, you're adding the number with itself. Those are our doubles facts because you're doubling the number. Good job, Q. Doubles facts. Good job, Cora. Okay, keep writing more. If you put your board back down, I want you to write another doubles fact. Don't erase any, just try and keep going on your board. Write another one and then show Miss Lumsden. Looks good, Alexis. Keep going. What other doubles facts do you know? Working on getting those double facts memorized. So what other ones do you know? You're adding with itself the same number. So Ben Goebel, like 100 plus 100, that would work. It's the same number. You're adding the same number. Good job, Q. 7 plus 7. Nice job, Cora. 5 plus 5. 10 plus 10. Good job, Molly. There's a lot. You guys have figured these out. Okay. Doubles facts. Looking good. Yes. 8 plus 8. Nice job, Hadley. The same number. You're adding the same number together for doubles facts. Yep. Looks good. Okay, Miss Lumsden's going to hold up a number on her fingers. Then you will write the doubles fact. Okay, so erase the ones you just thought of. We're going to see if you can do them when I tell you what they are. So the first doubles fact I want you to write is write the whole number sentence for how many fingers I'm holding up. What is this doubles fact? Good job, Ben Goebel. Good job, Marnie. Good work. Okay, that is an exact question on your test. They're going to give you a number, and you have to write the doubles fact. Nice job. Good work, Molly. Good job, Hadley. Nice job, Alicia. Good job, Preston. 4 plus 4, what does it equal? Nice work. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, we're going to do one more like that. How about write this doubles fact? Nice job, Marnie. Nice job, Hadley. Good job, Molly. Nice job, Preston. Looking good. Nice job, Arlo. Good job, Q. Good job, Benji. Nice work, friends. Good job, Cora. Oh, flip 1, then 2, not 21, 12. 1, then 2. Good job. 12 is 1 and 2. Okay, good work on doubles facts. Nice job, friends. Okay, the next ones we're going to do is our combinations of 10. That means that the answer equals 10. So I'm going to write one and you just have to fill in the blank. So we know that it equals 10. Fill in the blank. 6 plus what equals 10? Remember, combinations of 10, if you need a tool to help you, you have 10 fingers. So that is a very easy tool for you to use to figure out what goes with 6 to make 10. Yep, hold up your answer when you got it. Nice job, Arlo, Alicia, Q's got it, Hadley, nice job, Marnie. Nice job, Ben Goble, looks good. What goes with 6 to make 10? The combination of 10. Nice job, Alexis. All right, good job. I'm going to leave the equal sign. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Nice job. All right, how about this one? Blank plus 1 equals 10. What would go in that blank? Our combinations of 10. What goes with 1 to make 10? Ooh, a lot of friends were quick at that one. Nice job. Blank plus 1 equals 10. Good job, Benji. Yep, I see your answer. Good job, Molly. Nice job, Hadley. Good job, Q and Nora. Alexis, looks good. Nice job, Annabelle. Blank plus 1. Nice job. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay, let's do one more combination of 10. Let's see. 7 plus blank equals 10. What is 7's partner to make 10? Nice job, Marnie. Nice job, Hadley. Good job. Nice work. Can see some of you using your fingers. Good job. Good job, Molly. Good job, Alexis. Perfect. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, you're going to have some problems just like that on your test that have a blank, but they all equal 10. So remember, those are combinations of 10. Okay, last 2 things. Let me get my screen back on here. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is how we worked on finding 10 friends. So looking at our number grid, we worked on this just on Friday, I think it was, finding 10 friends. Every number has friends that are 10 more and 10 less. So this is the last thing we're going to practice, finding our 10 friends. Everyone has a 10 more friend and a 10 less friend. And when you use your number grid, which if you have it, you can grab it, but there's one on the screen. When you use your number grid, you can really easily find those 10 friends. So as a reminder, if we pick a number, let's pick 46. To find, oh, looks like it froze. Let me share it again. Slow computer today. Sorry, friends.
It's like what you said happened.
Okay, Miss Lumsden's just gonna hold it up. My second camera is what's going really slow today. So I'm going to just hold it on my camera. So if we have the number 46, you can find its 10 more friend by hopping down one box, which is 56. You can find its 10 less friend by hopping up, which is 36. Okay, so that's the reminder how we find 10 less is upstairs and 10 more is downstairs. So we're going to practice. I will put a number grid on the screen. You are going to find the 10 more friend and the 10 less friend for the number 72. The number 72. I'm going to put a number grid on the screen. All right, so right here is 72. Find its 10 more friend and its 10 less friend. Write them on your whiteboard. Ten less than 72 and 10 more than 72. Can you see my number grid? Yeah? Okay. Nice job, Hadley. Nice job, Molly. Good job, MP. Yep, that one's 10 more. Nice work. Okay. Yep, hopping up and hopping down. Good job, Nora. You got 10 less. Nice job. Okay, so remember, 10 less, you hop up is 62, and 10 more, hop down is 82. All right, that is going to be on your test. You're going to be asking. You can use your number grid on your test. Make sure you have a number grid handy. You can use any of those tools you know how to use. Okay, we'll do one more before we go. So let's do the number 15 right here. 15. Find its 10 more friend and 10 less friend. Good work, Molly. That was quick. Yep, use the number grid. 15. 10 less, 10 more. Good job, Arlo. Nice job, Nora. Good job, Alicia. All right, good job. You got it. Yep, using that number grid. Yep, hopping up and down. So 10 less is the number 5. 10 more is the number 25. Nice job, Q. Looks good. Good work. Okay, first grade, nice job. So those are the things we learned in chapter 4 math. Lots of measuring, doubles, combinations of 10, using our bar graphs. So all those types of questions are going to be on your test, and all of your answers Just prove to me that you are ready and you're gonna rock it. So remember, you don't have to do all the pages today because there's time tomorrow as well, because it's a couple pages long. So work on a couple pages today and then you can take a break and finish it tomorrow, all right? All right, and then there's no more math Zooms the rest of this week. We're done meeting at 9:30 because you're working on your test the next couple days, and then you just have some fun holiday math. And Miss Lumsden set up a new website for you to play on, so you can work on that later this week too. All right, have a great rest of your Monday. I will see you tomorrow for our morning meeting. I'll see
I
some
can't
of you.
find. I want to. In my packet there isn't one.
Is it what?
There isn't the math. Christmas
Yeah.
math stuff. That's not in mine.
Okay, gotta look in next week's packet. That's the message I sent. Some of the Christmas math things that are on the schedule for later this week ended up in the wrong week's folder. So check in
Okay.
1-4
check.
through 1-11. You guys find the chapter 4 math test though?
Yeah, I can't find it. I don't know where it is.
Did anyone else find the chapter 4 math test? Yeah.
It's in the folder app for next week's or after
Okay, so
break
that's the wrong
with
week
all the
too.
Christmas stuff.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. It's in the wrong week. Yep.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
no problem. Good luck. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Bye.